Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use data streaming in real time on the Azion platform. If you need to power your stream processing, security information, and event management and big data platforms with the event logs of your applications in real time, this video walks you through exactly what you need. So, let's get started. Access the Real-Time Manager. In the upper left corner on the Products menu, select Data Streaming on the Observe section. Click Add Streaming. Then fill in the fields to configure your data stream. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Choose a name for your data streaming. Try to use a meaningful name to help you remember for what purpose you created this data streaming. On the Data Source drop-down menu, select the one you want to use: Activity History, Edge Applications, Edge Functions, or WEF Events. For Edge Functions and WEF Events, you must be subscribed to the products. On the Template drop-down menu, select the one you want to use, a preset template according to your data source choice or a custom template. If you choose Custom Template, add the variables you want to use in your logs analysis in the Dataset code box. See on the online documentation how to create a custom template on data streaming. On Options, select between filter domains or all domains. See more about each option on how to associate domains on data streaming. On the Destination section, select an endpoint type on the drop-down menu. Standard HTTP/HTTPS post, Apache Kafka, Simple Storage Service, S3, Google BigQuery, Elasticsearch, Splunk, AWS Kinesis Data FireOS, Datadog, IBM QRadar, Azure Monitor, or Azure Blob Storage. You'll see different fields depending on the endpoint type you choose. Find more information on each of them on the Setting and Endpoint page. Finally, to finish your data streaming setup, make sure the active switch is turned on. Click the Save button. You've successfully created a data streaming on RTM. To make sure your logs are being sent to your endpoint through the configured data streaming, you can use real-time events to query detailed analysis. To see all your created data streamings, go to the Data Streaming page on RTM and select one from the list. Feel free to create multiple ones. If you have any questions, please reach out to our online documentation. You can find more detailed information about the product and its first steps on the reference documentation. Thank you for watching and move to the edge.